It can be confusing if you aren't expecting it. I mean, you've done some things to this point in your life. You've accomplished some things. You're pretty proud of yourself in general. You're competent. You know what you're doing, and you're ready for what's next. You can see the goal you want to accomplish. You can see the transition you want to make, the transformation that you can imagine. You can imagine what it is you want to build, the life, the business that is going to be transformative for you, your family, for the impact you want to have in the world. You're ready for what's next. You're ready to grow. You're ready to transition. You need it. Your economy, your life needs this goal to be reached. You need to do this new thing. And that's why we're here every day, to talk about you and your success. Success is your capacity to choose in this moment who and how you want to be in the middle of all of life's craziness, while also choosing intentionally in the direction of creating this thing that you want to create, the change you want to make. It's important. It matters. That's why we're here every day, because we believe life is worth working on and not just living in. And that's why I've created this daily dose of practical possibility. It's ready. It's time to transition. You're ready. You need to reach this new goal. You need to make a transition. You all of a sudden are stepping into this new thing and discovering what you don't know. It can be confusing if you've accomplished some things in the past and you've watched other people do it, you've learned about it, you've studied it, and all of a sudden you're now doing it and discovering that you didn't quite know how to do what it is you thought you knew how to do. It can be disorienting, especially if you've been successful in the past, and all of a sudden you feel uncomfortable. You feel really confused and uncertain because this new thing is different than anything you've done before, and you just need to grow. That's it. It doesn't mean it's not meant for you. It just means it's going to take some time before you become proficient, as capable as you used to be in this other thing. You need to be determined to be uncomfortable as long as it takes to do what it is you want to do. Or you could be sitting, waiting, trying to think your way into the next step, trying to avoid all this uncomfortable feeling of I don't know and doing nothing. Unfortunately, you will stay there in nothing. And if you don't step up confidently, knowing that you're not going to know, then you're going to stay there forever. Be ready. You don't know. It's okay. Step into the next step. Do it imperfectly. Stumble over your words. Make mistakes. It's just part of the process. Eventually, someday, you will do that thing as well as you've done things in the past. You got this. It's all right. It's just part of the process. I'll talk to you tomorrow.